Hello, welcome to IMS Today. I Nandini Agrawal, and today we have a very prominent guest with us, Mr. S.K. Tiwari. We welcome you, sir.
Here we have all the professionals and important personalities of the Ghaziabad entire area. See, GMA is having the different kind of members, corporate members, institutional members, and individual members, and they are all very important personalities. No, this institution actually works for bridging the gap between the academia and the industries, and we also nurture the young talents. In fact, we also do lot of activities for the social front and for the social welfare activities for the general public as well. This organization is growing day by day, and membership is also increasing day by day. So I am glad that I got the opportunity as a president of the GMA to take care and take this forward for a greater heights. Thank you.
How do you approach the long-term and short-term planning?
So this is very important question. I must appreciate you. In terms of short term, definitely we take the feedback from all the institutions and industries, and whatsoever the kind of topic they would like to cover, we cover those topics and we extend our full support to them. Not only this, we also ask our individual members as well that what they are actually looking for the welfare of the society and for the welfare of the association. So as a short term, definitely we organize all the things to take this forward. In terms of long term, we have got our own vision. Like in this current year, we have taken an initiative of women empowerment and nurture our MSMEs. MSMEs plays a vital role in the development of the India overall. So we are actually working for these two sectors as a long-term horizon. Things keeps on adding as a long-term vision, and I'm very much proud to say that GMA as association is taking many activities and doing so great that yes, I must say we will scale up new heights soon. Thank you.
Sir, as per the technology is increasing, the cyber security is also increasing. So what tips would you give to the people to get aware of cyber security?
No doubt about it, day by day, this usage of all the electronic gadgets, electronic platforms is increasing, and our youngsters are very much attached to it. And why youngsters? Many other age groups also are getting attached to it. This is very important for the development of India overall. However, there are many threats to mitigate. That's what we say cyber security. GMA has taken this step very proactively and organized various topics, various seminars, various trainings in terms of institutions in industries at various platforms. And GMA has actually spread the knowledge of this, and they have organized through the various great speakers from all over the entire nearby region. And yes, GMA is definitely looking forward to take up this topic as a proactive, and will guide all other youngsters as well. Thank you.
Sir, how has artificial intelligence and machine learning has transformed the industry?
Again, I must say this is a very important question. I think you did a great amount of homework. Artificial intelligence, machine learning is the backbone of today's industry. No industry can progress without these two topics. I am a person who has actually worked before machine learning and before artificial intelligence, and I am a person who is still continuing in the industry with these two things. So I am a perfect example. So initial days were totally different, where many mechanization was there, but nowadays entire mechanization has taken a shape in terms of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These two topics are very important. I am very happy to see that academic all colleges, they are taking this both the topics in everywhere, and they are making students to learn about all these topics. And I am as an industry I welcome all the our associated academia institutions. If at all they need anything, any support is required from my side, we'll always welcome. And yes, these two topics are important, and all youngsters should take care of these two learning. And this learning you will find lot of abundance. Lot many people say there's lot many jobs will get away because of this too, but I must say no, actually it is not true. Lot many new jobs, new type of industries will actually come into place with these two topics. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. I, Nandini Agrawal, with cameraman Atmat Solanki.